What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel, The Other Side KE. It's your girl Maya, and your girl is back. I am back on the YouTube streets. It has been a week too long, and I've missed you guys, but I'm back. And this video is going to be well worth it. So, first things first, smash that subscription button. Today, I'm not asking at politely at this nini. Smash it, gonga. And then the second thing is I need you guys to like this video because I am targeting a larger audience. And by you guys liking this video, it's helping me do that. And then the third thing, please grab a snack, then sit down and enjoy. As you can see here, I am cutting up some bread. This recipe was inspired by Kaluhi's kitchen. You can check out the original recipe there. I'm cutting up the Dijon bread. We fancy today. We fancy. And we were doing 2 trays because one was going to stay overnight and then one was going to be baked almost immediately. And I just wanted to show you guys. So I've cut up the bread. I'm placing them in the tray, as you can see here. Yeah, beautiful. I hope that this recipe turns out as it should rather, and I can't wait for the end result. So stay tuned. So next up were the blueberries. As you can see here, I was just about to sugar coat them with the icing sugar. And disclaimer alert, before anyone comes at me at the comments, no blueberries were harmed during this process. You just have to discipline them kidogo too, because they're supposed to be giving what they're supposed to be giving. But these ones went to academy, so it wasn't a problem. And then you put a generous amount of icing sugar, please. Okay? And then I was just placing them, neatly. Before my nephew started hating, he's like, hey, they look too neat. Can you try to be more natural? And I started putting them in between the bread and stuff. You guys know how much I love giving you the 4-in-1. The 4-in-1 today is blueberries coated in icing sugar. Is the 4-in-1. It's the best snack. They're so good. Please try them out. Please. 2 trays, overnight tray and the immediate tray. That's what I've named them. Same process. Around, above, in between. You also have to be generous with these blueberries. Usieke mbili ama tatu. Don't put 2 or 3 and then start wondering at why your dessert is not loving you back. You have to be generous. If you're going to do it to the full. Do it with your love, your peace, and your joy. And then I cracked some 4 eggs. I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet, but I'm also just blowing my own trumpet. I cracked 4 eggs and not a single shell fell inside the bowl. Not a single shell. That is a major improvement. Yani 2022, this is just my year. If I can do this, I can do anything. Trust me, trust. I even had to prove to you guys. Just look, see this beautiful work of art. Not a single shell in sight. Hey, you guys need to give me a medal. Literally. Okay. And then I just placed the other ingredients. Cinnamon, of course. So I have never ever in my life respected a utensil the way I've respected this grater. It has taught me character development. Do not grate me without respect and fear if you have long nails. My nails almost became dessert today. So we move. The reason that I like this recipe is just that you combine everything once in the bowl and it's just going to come together beautifully. So here I'm just adding in the brown sugar. I was so traumatized, but luckily I didn't have to grate anything else, and some milk as well. So far we've put in eggs, we've put in some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some sugar, some milk. We're also going to add some whipping cream and just whisk everything together. It smells absolutely fantastic, absolutely fabulous. Just look at that combination. Then goes the whipping cream. Yeah. And then next is just to combine everything together. And let me tell you, today, everything went to private school. My nails, this machine, this butter, the bread, everything went to private school. We're not joking here. So I just added some speed, but not for too long. You don't want to convert this into butter, actual butter, because whipping cream does turn into butter if you whisk it for some time. So I didn't know this. My sister was there to advise me. Thank God she did. So I just switched off the machine. As you can see there, guys, my nails are still in shape. Even though I almost grated them, they're still in shape. I'm so thankful for that. I poured the concoction into a measuring cup and then you just pour over the blueberries and the bread. try as much as possible to get it to halfway, because that's the recipe. Yeah, and make sure each and every bread is just covered in this beautifulness, because yeah, you'll just enjoy while you're eating. So that's what I was doing, making sure everything just got that concoction, as you can see here. So pretty. You can even, like, if it wasn't the raw egg, you could literally eat it like this as well, but no. So we just sealed it up, placed it in the fridge to set for a few hours. This one is for overnight, so I'm sure this one will turn out much better. And then it was time to make the sauce. So I was making the blueberry sauce, me pouring the blueberries inside, yeah, into the saucepan or the sufuria. As you can see here, I added some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and some brown sugar. Yeah, not too much. I am just winging it when it comes to measurements. Yeah, it's just like a thing. I don't know if it's an African thing or it's just a thing. If you spend time in the kitchen, you just know what to do. And I'm just kind of moving it around so everything is coated. I added a bit of water just to get everything going, and then you just kind of stir up the blueberries and the brown sugar and the lemon and the water, and then I started smashing them one by one. The color has begun showing, as you guys can see. It's changing color, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm just pressing down the blueberries. Some are pressing down, some aren't. Yeah, so move them around. Make sure you squeeze as much as you possibly can out of them. The color has begun, just turning into this beautiful maroon color, and it's just boiling now. And then I switched up into a masher just to get it going and to do things a bit more faster, because I was on some time frame. We really wanted to try out one of the desserts like today. So I'm just stirring up. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my god, looks so nice. So continue to just bonda to just like press down, and then let it boil for a bit, just a bit, not too much. We don't want the blueberries to burn, just to make everything hot and thick. So it's straight out of the oven, and my god, this house smells like cinnamon, and it's just heavenly. So of course, there's nothing like humility when it comes to baking. You go all the way out. Look at that icing sugar rain. When you go out, you go all the way out. I hope that you're jealous and hungry so that you try out this recipe and let me know down below. Comment down below. So next thing is, of course, to just plate it and indulge. So let's do that right now. How could I forget the blueberry sauce, guys? How? Just look at this gooey thickness. Just look at this beautiful color. And it's just going in the right places. I mean, this dessert deserves to just be in an academy. This one is a private school dessert. You won't find it just in a local, at two schools here and there. This one deserves to be in a private school, and it should be expensive. So let's get right into it now. Okay guys, I'd grate my nails any day for this. You just put with some vanilla ice cream and you're good to go. Look at this. This is a work of art. Want everything. Out to the sister and the nephews. A second round are still delicious. This is how you end a video on a climax. Thanks for watching, guys.